how to change YouTube channel name, mobile and desktop. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how you can change your YouTube channel name. So all you're going to do is log on to YouTube and you're going to make sure that you're logged on to the account on your top right that you want to change the name for. Then you're going to click on YouTube Studio over here. Once you click on YouTube Studio, you're just going to scroll down on the left side over here and you're going to click on customization, which is the second last option. Once you click on customization, you're going to click on basic info, and from here the top option will be your channel name and description. So you can click on edit channel name, and you can only change your channel name 3 times every 2 to 3 months. So you can just select and go ahead and enter the new channel name. And once you have done that, you're just going to click on publish over here, and now you have a new channel name. And you can follow these same steps on your mobile device. So for that, we're just going to go ahead onto our mobile device, and now you're just going to go ahead and search for YouTube. And then once you go onto YouTube, you're going to click on your top right over here. You're going to go ahead and click on your channel, and then you can just click on edit over here and then change your channel name from over here as well. So that was it for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video.